how to clear up this URL is on Google but has issues. We are running a Divi site in WordPress, and what is happening is we have a ton of videos on individual pages, and for some reason the Divi theme is not setting the thumbnail correctly. And so I've got a trick I can walk you through. As you can see here, we've got 3 of them that are fixed, and this one here isn't. And when I open it up, it says missing thumbnail. Right, so we want to clear that up. Here's one of the pages. What I'm going to do is go into the actual page on the builder. And we've got, we're using rank math. And so when you use rank math, it allows you to set your own schema on certain videos, on pretty much everything on the page. I believe it's the Pro version. But essentially you want to come into the schema area, and here you'll see the individual videos on this page, and what you'll want to do is click into them. This is one I've already corrected. It's essentially all of them have a content URL blank, so you basically cut and paste the content URL, and then down here at the bottom there's this area that says video image thumbnail. What you can see is this is actually the image URL from YouTube that we're using, and then we just cut and paste the video ID into that URL, and it works great. And so I'll show you how to do one here quick. I'm going to go ahead and copy this and jump forward to like this one. I'm not sure. Yeah, it doesn't look like I've done this one. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the thumbnail. So one of our issues is we're actually publishing the staging URL as a thumbnail, which is why it's not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this. I'm going to go up here to the video URL. This is a YouTube embed. I'm going to pull this ID. I'm going to come down here into this URL and replace this little fragment right here with the new ID. And one other thing is I'm going to pull this one down and do that. And so what that does is it sets the image thumbnail for you, and will clear up that error. So I hope this is helpful. Let me show you what this looks like. And there is the thumbnail. So it will dynamically pull in the thumbnail that YouTube automatically set as the thumbnail into the video schema, which is exactly what you want. And then once you do that for all your videos, it'll clear up that error and everything will be fine. So I appreciate it. Let me know if you need anything else.